If your fascias or soffits are looking worn, you might be wondering, how much does it actually cost to replace your roofline in the UK? In this video, we'll break down typical prices and what affects the cost. On average, uPVC roofline replacement in the UK can cost between £70 and £120 per metre, depending on the condition of the existing roofline and the complexity of the job. For a typical semi-detached home, full replacement of fascias, soffits and guttering can range from around £1,500 to £4,000 or more. However, every property is different, so accurate pricing always requires a survey. Several factors influence the final price. First is property size. Larger homes naturally require more materials and labor. Second is accessibility. If scaffolding is needed or access is difficult, costs may increase. Third is the condition of the existing timber. If there is rot or structural damage, extra preparation work may be required. And finally, the quality of materials used. Standard white uPVC is typically more affordable, while decorative finishes or upgraded systems may cost more. Replacing your roofline isn't just about appearance. A damaged roofline can lead to water ingress, damp issues, and even roof structure damage over time. uPVC roofline systems offer long-term protection with minimal maintenance, helping to prevent costly repairs in the future. For many homeowners, it's a preventative investment rather than just a cosmetic upgrade. The cost of roofline replacement depends on your property, but the long-term benefits are clear: protection, durability, and peace of mind. If you found this video useful, subscribe to Empire uPVC for more straightforward home improvement advice. And if you'd like a quote or have questions, feel free to get in touch or leave a comment below.